Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to edit rooms and rename them on DREAME D20 Plus. You can edit rooms, which means you can split them, you can split or divide, you can also merge them or rename them, and I'll show you all of that. So let's click on the robot, let's go into it and click on the map editing button. Now you can click on a room partition. Now let's click on OK, and as you can see we have our map and 4 different buttons. Let's divide as the first thing. So I'll click on divide, select the room to divide, and it will create a line. Now I can adjust the line to my preferred place, and you can see the solid line because there is this striped line. The solid one is the line of division, so that's the line that I'll use. I'll select it, and now you can see they are split. Now I'll also do one more division just so I can merge it in a moment. As you can see, I can divide like so. And now, okay, it didn't do that part, it only did that part, but let's merge it now. When I click on merge, I can select 2 rooms and merge them, just like that. And then you can also hide some rooms, so you can select a room to hide it. And now you can see, when I later exit, it will only save that part of the map that isn't hidden, so the robot won't go into that place at all. And it's useful, I think, in times when maybe you had some room that you don't want the robot to go into, or maybe you had some door open outside and it's scanned outside and you definitely don't want the robot to go outside. So yeah, that's why you may want to hide it, but I'll unhide it, and then let's rename. So let's select the room, tap on rename, and now you can set a custom name or just select one of these. I'll do living room, and this one I'll do the kitchen. And there it is. Now we can save our map just by going back, and it's already saved. So that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.